guys, today I'm learning how to drive.
Okay.
Do you know who's gonna help me how to drive? My grandpa. And now we're going this way.
Now we're gonna go that way. Turn it. You gotta look where you're going. Now let. Okay. Now turn it again.
This is amazing, guys.
Now let's go straight. Let's go straight.
Wow, this is a fun video. Comment down below. This is a fun.
And then we're gonna go to the left.
I hope so.
Or go straight to turn that way.
Help me.
Yeah, well you turn.
I thought you were gonna go the car.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Bye bye. See you next video. Mm.